guys, it's a place of baking, Matsusaka, Japan. Look at guys, don't forget like you share, subscribe, press notification bell for update every day. It was nice views. Today is heavy traffic because the working time, the working hour right now. Guys, here is heavy traffic right now. The time is 7:50 in the morning. It's the working time. Nice place here in Mikin, Matsusaka, Japan. But guys, so there is Central Matsusaka and 166 Road and 232. There's a place of Mikin, Matsusaka, Japan. So very nice views, guys. It's a place of Mikin, Matsusaka, Japan. Very nice place here in Mikin, Matsusaka, Japan. Today is November 21, 2025. Right now is heavy traffic. Sure guys, thank you sir. Thank you for watching. Thank you everyone, and God lead us. So don't forget like, share, subscribe, and post notification bell for update every day na new videos. Thank you so much. God bless us all. Bye bye.